How to make a self-watering seed starting container. Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this label and then we go from there. So we're gonna start. So take out the label like that. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it, and I'll say you cut out like 1/3 of it off, or I'll say cut out between 30 to 40% on top off, so that way it gives you a little bit more. So use a knife to make an incision. And use the scissors to cut. This is just a cut like this. So yeah, you have it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make a hole on the lid that we're going to use to put our thread or cloth. So like this. So this container, for some reason I couldn't find the lid, so I just used a different lid. So just make a little hole on the lid like that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass our thread through the hole and pull it out over here. So I'm gonna pass it through the hole like that. Just pass it through like that and just pull it out. Pull it out like that. So you want to make sure it's this. You want to make sure this can get to the bottom where the water reservoir is going to be, like that. And you want to make sure it's also able to circle around the bottom so that it can wick out water. So as you see, like that. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add our soil. I'm using my seed starting mix here. I have another video I'll put in the link below that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix, so that you don't have to buy seed starting mix. You can make good quality seed starting mix for pennies. So here I'm just gonna add the seed starting mix, a little bit of it to the bottom like that. So you want to make sure that you want to just wick make sure it goes around, so that when it pulls water up, water goes all over there like that. And then you can put more seed starting mix in there like that. And you want to water it, so that way because the rope or the cloth that we have in there needs to have water, so that you can continue wicking water from the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna water it. Let me add a little bit more this. So now I'm just gonna water it, then we can plant our seeds. You just want to make sure it's watered and soaked. So that's it. We watered, so we're just gonna make a couple of holes right here. I'll say 4 holes. Then we're just gonna plant our seeds in there. So we're gonna plant tomato seeds. And these are the seeds. I'm just gonna put the tomato seeds here. So now what we want to do is just close the seats off like that. And there we go. Okay, before we set it, leave it and let it grow, we want to make sure we have enough water in there so that it could continue to. So that should be enough water. So it's gonna wick out the water. If the seed starting mix dries up, it's gonna continue wicking up the water. So now what we're gonna do is just put it in a warm area. All set. Put it in a warm area, and it's gonna. Once the seed germinate, you want to put it close to a window or where there's light or a grow light so that it can continue. Okay. It's been like 5 days, 6 days since I did this, and also on the duct tape around just to hold it in place and also prevent the water from evaporating. So as you can see, it looks great. The seeds germinated. I just have to make sure that where I had it, they didn't have enough sunlight, so I'm gonna put it under a green light, grow light right now. I'm gonna put it under a grow light, and the ceilings are gonna do much better. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and also stay tuned for updates. I'm gonna give you guys update maybe after about 3 weeks. I'll give you update on how it is doing. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification so that you can get updated on all other videos coming up. Thank you and have a fabulous day.